Have you guys wondered how an iced-out Cuban link chain is made? Come on, let's take you guys to the factory and show you guys the production. We start off by weighing the chain, then send it to our in-house factory where the magic happens. We place the chain on a chalak, a special wax to hold it in position. The driller uses a compass to ensure the holes have the right size and position. He's in charge of creating a prong structure for the stones to hold in place. Once that's completed, we hand the stones and the chain to one of our diamond setters. He paves each hole to fit every stone perfectly and uses a set of tools to secure and tighten the diamonds in place. Once we finish icing out the chain, it's time to polish it. Our expert smoothens and meticulously takes every single scratch off the chain, then proceeds to clean it and dip it in rhodium. The chain is plated for a brighter shine. We then finish it off with a steam to make it more shiny.